Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to block a person on Triller. So let's start. First, open the Triller app. When the app opens, you have to search for the person you want to block. If you find them on your home feed, then you have to go to their profile. Otherwise, you can also search for them by tapping on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. I'll just search for that person I want to block. Now tap on the search bar and search by their name. Then go to their profile. Now to block the person, tap on the three dots on top right corner and then tap on block. And then tap on block again for confirmation. And after you have blocked that person, you will not be able to see any of their updates. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.